The 2026 Tata Punch has rapidly become one of the most talked about and fastest growing compact SUVs in India, capturing attention with its bold design, practical size, strong safety reputation, and impressive everyday usability. Over the last few years, Tata Motors has built a powerful image in the Indian automobile market by focusing on design, safety, and affordability, and the Punch perfectly reflects that philosophy. Designed especially for Indian road conditions and urban lifestyles, the 2026 Punch combines the convenience of a small car with the rugged personality of an SUV, making it a favorite choice among young drivers, small families, and first-time buyers who want something stylish, safe, and easy to drive. One of the biggest reasons behind the Tata Punch's popularity is its SUV-inspired styling, which makes it look far bigger and stronger than its compact dimensions suggest. The 2026 model continues to carry Tata's modern design language with a bold and confident appearance. The front profile stands out with a signature grille, sleek LED daytime running lights, and strong headlamp placement that gives the Punch a premium and aggressive road presence. The sculpted bonnet, muscular wheel arches, and stylish alloy wheels enhance the SUV character, making it appealing to buyers who want a vehicle that looks adventurous yet practical for everyday driving. The rear design also feels well balanced, featuring stylish tail lamps and strong body lines that complete the Punch's dynamic personality. Despite being compact in size, the Punch manages to deliver a commanding stance that attracts attention wherever it goes. Step inside the 2026 Tata Punch and you immediately notice how Tata Motors has focused on creating a comfortable and practical cabin that suits Indian families and daily commuters. The interior design is modern, functional, and thoughtfully arranged, with a dashboard layout that feels easy to understand and operate. The seats are designed to provide good support for long journeys, while the upright seating position gives drivers better road visibility, which is especially helpful in crowded city traffic. Even though the Punch is categorized as a small SUV, it offers impressive headroom and legroom for passengers, making it suitable for daily office commutes, family outings, and short road trips. The 2026 Punch also brings a range of modern features that enhance convenience and connectivity. The touchscreen infotainment system supports smartphone connectivity through Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing drivers to access navigation, music, and communication features easily. The digital instrument display provides important driving information clearly, while steering-mounted controls allow drivers to manage entertainment and calls without distraction. Features like automatic climate control, keyless entry, power windows, and multiple storage compartments make the Punch feel like a smart and user-friendly vehicle that fits perfectly into modern urban life. Under the hood, the 2026 Tata Punch offers a refined petrol engine that is designed to balance performance and efficiency, which is a key requirement for Indian car buyers. The engine delivers smooth acceleration and adequate power for city driving, making it easy to maneuver through traffic and crowded streets. While the Punch is not built as a high-performance SUV, it offers enough strength for comfortable highway driving and occasional long journeys. Buyers typically get the option of manual and automatic transmissions, giving them flexibility based on driving preference. The engine refinement and lightweight construction of the vehicle help maintain strong fuel efficiency, which makes the Punch an economical choice for daily use. The ride quality of the 2026 Tata Punch is another major highlight that contributes to its growing popularity. Indian roads often present challenging driving conditions with potholes, speed breakers, and uneven surfaces, and the Punch is well tuned to handle these situations confidently. The suspension absorbs bumps effectively, ensuring passengers experience a comfortable and stable ride. The steering is light and responsive, making parking and tight turns easier, especially for new drivers or those driving in busy city areas. The compact size of the Punch further enhances maneuverability, allowing it to fit easily into tight parking spaces while still offering the elevated driving feel of an SUV. Safety has become a major deciding factor for Indian buyers, and the Tata Punch has built a strong reputation in this area. Tata Motors is known for prioritizing safety, and the Punch reflects this commitment with its strong build quality and modern safety features. The 2026 model includes multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and stability control systems designed to protect occupants and enhance driver confidence. The Punch's solid construction has earned praise for providing reassurance to families who prioritize safety alongside design and affordability. In a segment where safety features are often limited, the Punch stands out by offering a stronger and more secure driving experience. Another important factor behind the success of the Tata Punch is its value for money proposition. The Punch is positioned to offer SUV styling, strong safety credentials, and modern features at a price that remains accessible to a large number of buyers. Tata Motors offers the Punch in multiple variants, allowing customers to choose the version that best suits their needs and budget. Whether someone wants a basic model for daily commuting or a higher variant loaded with features, the Punch provides options that cater to diverse preferences. This flexibility has helped the Punch attract a wide audience, including students, young professionals, and small families. Ownership experience also plays a crucial role in the Punch's popularity. Tata Motors has significantly expanded its service network across India, making maintenance and servicing easier for customers in both cities and smaller towns. Spare parts availability and competitive maintenance costs help keep long-term ownership affordable. Many Punch owners appreciate the balance between reliability and cost efficiency, making it a practical vehicle for everyday life. Additionally, the Punch has developed strong demand in the used car market, which helps maintain good resale value, an important consideration for buyers planning future upgrades. The Tata Punch is also appreciated for its versatility. It works equally well as a daily city commuter and as a companion for weekend getaways. The compact dimensions allow it to navigate narrow streets and crowded parking areas with ease, while the elevated ground clearance helps tackle rough patches and uneven rural roads. For many Indian buyers, this combination of city practicality and mild adventure capability makes the Punch an ideal all-round vehicle. Beyond its technical features, the 2026 Tata Punch connects emotionally with buyers by offering a sense of confidence and independence. It gives drivers the feeling of owning an SUV without the challenges of managing a large vehicle. The Punch's youthful styling and vibrant color options also appeal to younger buyers who want a car that reflects personality and modern lifestyle. At the same time, its strong safety reputation and comfortable interior make it a reassuring choice for families. In India's highly competitive compact SUV market, where buyers are constantly looking for vehicles that deliver style, efficiency, safety, and affordability together, the 2026 Tata Punch continues to rise as a strong contender. It successfully combines bold design with practical functionality, making it suitable for both urban and semi-urban environments. The Punch demonstrates that a small SUV can still deliver a premium feel and dependable performance without demanding a high price tag. The 2026 Tata Punch is not just a car, it represents the evolving expectations of Indian buyers who want more from their vehicles. It offers SUV-like confidence, city-friendly convenience, strong safety credentials, and modern connectivity, all packed into a compact yet impressive package. For those searching for a stylish, safe, and practical entry into the SUV lifestyle, the Tata Punch continues to prove why it has become one of India's fastest-growing and most loved compact SUVs. As Tata Motors continues to strengthen its presence in the Indian automobile industry, the Punch stands as a symbol of smart engineering and customer-focused design. It reflects the brand's commitment to delivering vehicles that suit real-world Indian driving conditions while also satisfying emotional and aspirational needs. For first-time buyers, young drivers, and families alike, the 2026 Tata Punch offers a driving experience that feels dependable, modern, and exciting, ensuring that its popularity continues to grow across the country.